Hello friends, and welcome back to a new SLP update video where we will be taking a look at some of the things that's happening with the charts and where I see SLP heading in the next several days. I hope you are having a productive Monday today, and I hope you are achieving everything that you want today as well. Start out your weekdays great, and I hope you achieve something that you've always wanted today. So let's take a look here at SLP. So with the recent update video that we did, we knew that there was a support area at 0.016. Just keep in mind with SLP, I see volume decreasing a little bit at the levels of 50 MA. So please be cautious. As you can see here as well, we were in a downtrend for quite some time, and price here is creating a level, and we can see that the volume is also decreasing. So like I stated, please be cautious. We can see that the levels here tested back a support area where we haven't tested in quite some time. As you can see here, this level of support was tested on the day of March 23rd. Okay, so it's been quite some time now that this level of support has now reached back to there. Okay, so just keep in mind we had this big rally here for SLP, and then there was a lot of imbalance here, so we came back to these levels here of support. So just keep in mind that we are currently creating this level of support where we haven't saw it before, which is on March 16th actually, and also March 14th. So please be cautious of that. We can see this level here was very important because we saw a lot of rejections areas at the 50 MA. So this level is very crucial. As we saw here, we created an uptrend for quite some time, and we are currently in a downtrend for GMT, but we are currently holding a level of support. So this could be good news, but we are down 4% almost for the day. But for GMT as well, please be cautious, like I stated, since we are still under the 50 MA, and we could continue to the downside. I like to keep it, real and honest with you guys. And for me, I want to see GMT actually break the 50 MA. Not GMT, SLP break out of the 50 MA, as you can see here on 0.0169. And we want to see price actually come out of this descending triangle, retest back at the 50 MA. And like I stated in the last videos, we still haven't touched the levels of order blocks and resistance that we had before of 0.0193. We want to see price break out of this wick here and this downtrend first before we retest back at 0.0193, which will be very crucial because we are currently, like I said, holding on to a level of support. But if overall we are under the 50 MA, then my interpretation and everything that I see here, we will continue to still go down. So please be cautious of that. You can see here we created a double bottom at these levels here. We saw a divergence as well at the levels of support we created before. So you can see here this wick is lower than this one here. So this one is higher than this one. And you can see here it's the opposite for the RSI. So it was an indication that there was going to be a divergence, and also an indication that price was going to reverse at that time. So like I stated as well, we need to see price actually break at that level, because if price comes back down here and we still under the 50 MA, comes back down here at the 0.0153, then we could still see some momentum to the downside. We could retest back at 0.0151 and then come back at the levels here of recent support that was created right under it. So just please be wary of that. And we want to see SLP grow. This is our main goal, but keep in mind we had here levels of imbalance before that occurred, and we still haven't filled in these gaps. So please be wary of that. If SLP can continue its momentum here, as you can see, we could see a lot of volume coming in the next several days, and as we saw here before, which could push up the prices for SLP to test our first zones that we have, and first zones of resistance that we have at 0.0186. Just keep in mind that we were oversold as well, and that's why we saw this big rally. But just because it's oversold and it went up doesn't mean it will continue. So please be cautious of that, since we are still under the 50 MA. So just a quick update on SLP. I hope you guys like the updates and videos here, and I hope to see you on the next one. Take care, and I hope you're having a great rest of your Monday. Take care and stay blessed.